It's bomb and I like it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for those of you who are new. In today's video, I'm reviewing this Lucy Hair wig. This is one of their red wine units. It's one of their newer units that just came out. So I'm really excited to show it to you guys today. If you are interested, continue to watch and let's get into this review. Alright guys, so this is what the unit looks like once I've gotten it on and, you know, I've done all the stuff that I came to do, you know. So this unit is a synthetic red wine unit. I hope you're getting like the color vibes through this video. I tried to make sure my lighting was well enough so you could actually see what the color really looks like. I zoomed out for you guys in the beginning so you could see exactly how long it is. It is a really long unit. A little bit of details on the unit as far as how good it is. I feel like this unit looks really good in person, and I really feel like it looks good on camera as well, but in person this just looks... Some synthetic wigs you just don't want to wear out, me personally, you know, sometimes that happens, but this is one that I would legit wear out. Like, it just has like a really good look to it. I didn't have any problems out of it. It did, like, hair came out, but I know why that came out. That was because of my cut job with that lace. I cut too much of the hair, so, you know, it kind of started shedding a little bit. Also, it's going to shed because it's a longer unit, so... But it's not like OD that you have to worry about that being a huge problem if you get the unit, okay? Really nice quality wig though. It's a very thick and full, but it's not too thick that it's gonna like start getting like matted up or nappy or anything. Granted, this is my first time putting it on, so I don't know how matted up or nappy or, you know, tangled it might get. But from previous you know, experiences with longer synthetic units, you just never know. Okay, so I'm just throwing it out there as well. Definitely big head friendly. I went ahead and did the adjustable straps in the back and crossed them to make it tighter, so I didn't have to glue it down. However, you do have the option of gluing it down if you need to. It also has more of a lace frontal vibe to it, so I think you might be able to part it differently. You probably don't have to wear it in the middle. I just, you know, that's my choice. I just really like middle part units, middle part wigs, excuse me. So, you know, that is my preference. Now I got the sides, they're coming up a little bit over here, but that's because, like I said, it's not glued down. So that's why I would suggest probably gluing it. If you are going to be wearing it for a long period of time, you might want to glue it down on the sides to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. But I didn't glue mine down just for the sake of the video, since I will be taking it off right after this video. I did kind of cut the front of it and make a little bit of edges. Now, this has a frontal vibe to it, so you could probably pluck it if you want to. I didn't pluck mine because I just wanted to finesse it and make it look natural without plucking it. And I like how it looks. Like, this is wearable and doable. As far as the parting space, that's as far back as it goes, you guys. I don't want you thinking that you're about to get it and that, you know, you're going to be able to part it all the way back, or you just thinking that I didn't part it back. That's as far as it goes. But like, from a front view, y'all, it looks fine. Like, I think it looks fine. So I think I answered all your questions. If I didn't, leave it in the description box below, and I will comment box below, not description box. Leave it in the comment section below and I'll answer your question. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you to Lucy Hair Wig for sending me this unit. It's bomb and I like it. But that's all I got for you guys. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you to all my new subscribers. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.